Now, this might be the ultimate question. How do you replace your salary with performing assets? And you might be thinking, this sounds like a tall tale. This sounds like a tall order, but it's actually quite attainable. I've done it. I've watched other investors do it. We've helped thousands of investors do it at Morris Invest. And all you have to do is follow a simple formula and be committed. And you'll be earning a passive income in no time. In fact, this is at the heart of what I do in real estate investing. And it's how I created my own financial freedom formula for my own family. I came up with this idea one day when my wife and I were looking at our finances. It seemed like at the end of every month, there were still bills to pay, no paycheck left to cover it. Does this sound familiar to you? And I started thinking about what we could possibly do differently. I started selling some of my possessions on Craigslist. Seriously, it was embarrassing. My wife came down to me. She said, "We can't pay the mortgage this month." And I said, "What are you talking about? I make good money. We have 2 kids. We can't, what? I have to be able to pay my mortgage." And that to me was the scariest thing. As a man, I guess I feel like I had to be the provider in that way. And I was terrified, and my wife was pregnant. So we had another child on the way. And I quickly realized that living like this wasn't sustainable. There had to be a better way. And I needed a better action plan to cover my monthly expenses. And I realized that if I wanted to be financially free, we'd have to put our money to work for us and not work for our money. And that is the light bulb moment. So in order to start creating cash flow and passive income, we have to implement an actionable plan based on actual tangible numbers. And that's why I created the Freedom Cheat Sheet PDF. It's a simple PDF. It's only 4 or 5 pages. It's designed to help you determine how much passive income you need to cover your monthly expenses. And it's very simple to get. Just go to our website, morrisinvest.com/freedom. We'll have a link below so you can grab it. Download it and go through it with me. Because determining my freedom number changed everything for me and my family. And I'm confident it'll do the same thing for you. Again, go to our website, morrisinvest.com/freedom, or click the link below to grab it. Now, a lot has changed since those days. I spent agonizing over bills. And I want the same for you, because in the Freedom Cheat Sheet, you're going to calculate your average monthly expenses. And they're going to pad it a little bit, in case of you want to take a vacation or just in case of little emergencies. Now, it's going to help you determine exactly how much money you'll need to bring in from your performing assets every single month. Because if you don't have that North Star, then you can't build a goal. How do you build a goal if you don't know where you're going? The freedom number is powerful because it's not an arbitrary number. It's custom fit to your exact situation. And if you're comfortable sharing, tell me in the comments what your freedom number is and how you plan to get there. I would love to know it. But let me just give you a frame of reference. When you understand your freedom number, you're going to build out an expenses spreadsheet. So you're going to know exactly how much money is coming into your family every month from your W-2 job or other places. And you're going to know exactly how much money is going out and what you're going to uncover when you go through this freedom number cheat sheet process. And I want you to share your experiences in the comments. I read all of them. Are you going to discover? You will discover things that you're spending money on that you probably didn't even think about. You're going to we teach you in the freedom number cheat sheet to go through your credit card statements. There's other things that we teach you, totally free, by the way, to get this cheat sheet. And you're going to uncover remarkable things. And then once you have this plan in place, I want you to put that number up all over your house. Put it on your refrigerator, put it on your mirror in your bathroom. And then that's going to become your guiding light. And then you're going to build a plan on how to get there. For a lot of people, it might be $4,000 a month is all they need to be financially free. Meaning you don't need to be a millionaire. It means that you might only need to cover your family's expenses, your safety net every month of $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. We once had a client that said, "Yeah, all I need is $2,700 a month and I'm financially free. I don't have any expenses. I don't have any debt. This is what I have." I was blown away. I'm like, that's basically one rental property can cover that and give you financial freedom. And now let's build a plan to help you get there. That's what my team does. So anyway, I want you to download your Freedom Cheat Sheet. It's totally free. This is your starting place, okay? Once you get these numbers down on paper, then everything can start changing. Everything can start aligning. So go there right now, morrisinvest.com/freedom. Download it, and I want you to share your freedom number in the comments below and tell me the things that you discovered in your expenses. I'll read them, and I'll report back to you. I'll have some answers in the comments below. We look forward to talking with you next time, everyone.